Just a singular drop, it diffuses, and it's using me. No turning back for me now. I am dissolved. There is a reaction. It's not liquid, no solid state, a poison that I isolate. It circulates at any rate to regulate and saturate. I'm locked inside the aggregate and how it starts to replicate. I watch the atoms separate, the target of my mental state.